welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mariah Gallegos, also known as Gallegos Glamour, and today I created this look using a lot of new products. So I am really loving how this look came out. If you aren't subscribed, make sure to do that. We are so close to 100 subscribers and I am just so excited. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get on with the tutorial. Today's video is super exciting because I'm just trying out a bunch of different products. I have used this already, so this isn't a first impressions, as you can see from exhibit A, B, C over here. Okay, it's a mess, but I do like this palette. Here is what she looks like. I am going to start with this color right here. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to take is Wanderlust, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. These colors just blend together so beautifully. I think that it's also Dose of Colors like formula, because I do think that they have like a really good formula. I've been dying to try their Sassy Sienna's palette. I do think that I'm gonna order it here hopefully soon, just because I do think that it's like something I'll use a lot. But I do love Dose of Colors, everything that I've tried from them thus far. Next, I am going to take a little bit of the black shade, which is Finders Keepers. So I am going to be dipping into this shade right here. This black is so pigmented that I barely tapped into this shade. Like, literally, you guys, that's all I'm doing because this is such a pigmented black. Oh, which is nice, because I mean a little goes a long way, but when I say like you literally need to tap, like I have too much on this brush, so I need to go over on this side now because that was just a lot going on. So next I am going to cut my crease. I do have an in-depth video on how I cut my crease. It has changed in a sense where I use a different brush now, so I will share that with you. Hold on, I'm just cleaning it on my robe right now. I've really been enjoying the MAC 135, which looks like this. I just feel like it's really easy for me to kind of go in and get places, like get their kid. So I've been really appreciating this brush for that reason. Some glitter glue. I feel like glitter glue is also really good for kind of like realigning everything. Right here, which I want to say is called Poquito Mas. So we're just going to press that down right here. Yeah, she's cute. Okay. So I'm going in with that second shade that I said I was going to use, and just kind of melting that into the black and also into Poquito Mas. Ooh, those colors together. I'm actually gonna bring Poquito Mas a little bit over too, because that color that they make is this like beautiful, like light gold, like taupey kind of shade. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really, really pretty. And wow. So I'm gonna go in with black again, just a tad bit, and kind of just go over everything that kind of happened right here. Okay, so now my eyeliner is pretty much dry. I'm gonna test the waters and see obviously if I need to stop. A bitch is gonna stop. But I think we're gonna be okay. So I'm going to take the Sigma Small Angle. This is their E65 brush, and I am going to apply Palma onto my lash line. And Palma is this beautiful shade right here that is just really stealing the show of this palette. It's absolutely stunning, so I'm really excited to play with it in other places other than my lid. So I am being really careful on where I place the pigment because I really want to keep it just on the black liner. So I'm going to use my Perfecting Base from L'Oreal, and I am just going to, I'm going to apply a lot of this. Something new that I've recently been trying out and loving has been the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I picked up the shade Stromboli. I've really been liking the Born This Way concealer. It's amazing. My eye just got stuck to each other. I'm just going to now blend everything out. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I actually use the shade Light. Fairlight, I actually think I might use, but it's okay. I'm gonna take my Sigma F50 brush and I'm gonna kind of mix a couple. I recently forgot how much I love the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer, so I think I'm gonna start off with that today. Cute. This is Becca's Songbird. And we're just gonna put that right on the cheeks. So now going back to the eyes, I'm gonna kind of scoot closer to you guys. And we're gonna smoke out the bottom lash line. So to do that, I am going to start off with this color right here. And we're just gonna buff that in, you know? Take some of this Poquito Mas again, and I'm going to put a little bit just in my inner corner. Okay, so for highlight, I did lie. I have the Anastasia Dream palette right here. So I think I'm going to take this one right here. Let me double check. Okay, so before I finish this look off, I know I look like absolutely crazy right now, and it's like, Mariah, just finish your lips before you do anything else, but I literally can't. I'm gonna take some of the medium dark from MAC, the skin finishes, and just kind of bronze up my skin a little bit more. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do really quick. And then lastly, to finish off the lips, I went in and lined my lips with Cork from MAC, pretty deep. Yeah, like pretty deep. But the reason that I have this on, I literally look like a psycho, so I'm gonna finish my lips. I should probably just do it. I'm gonna use the MAC Aaliyah in the shade Try Again, which is such a beautiful like light brown. Okay, so I am going to hop off camera, do my hair, change my clothes because I'm in my robe right now, and we'll be back for, you know, the finished everything else. So I'll be right back. So there you have the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating it. It came out so good. I am obsessed. I have been using this palette like non-stop since I received it. Since I bought it. But anyways, I have just been really loving this palette, so it's been really fun. I'm glad I got to kind of use it in a different way that I haven't yet. So I really enjoyed making this video. I have taken kind of a hiatus from YouTube, but I'm back and I hopefully am going to start getting more on a schedule. But I always say that, but I really do, and I am trying. So yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. Like I said, we're so close to 100 subscribers, so make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!